we have another special record. Here we go back to Italy. And the reason why I shared this record, and I'm going to share with you the cover in just about a minute, is because I was so surprised to see who was behind the production of this record. The name that caught my eye initially, it was Walterino. So if you don't know who Walterino is, because many of you are tuning in from abroad, like they're not from Italy, well, Walterino is, at least in my opinion, a great producer. He comes from Veneto region, northeast Italy, beautiful Venice region. I had the pleasure of enjoying his sets, his productions, and I had the opportunity of meeting him back in the 90s, end of 90s, early 2000s. I think the first time I've seen him playing, it was at the New York Jazz. New York Jazz was a club in Venice region, and my mind was blown away because Walterino at the time was one of the few DJs that had this unique touch of playing and merging into his sets some breakbeats, breakbeat records. And I still vividly remember to being on the dance floor, and all of a sudden the next record comes in, he was playing, and I was like, what the hell's going on here? Like, instead of having the floor on the dance floor, comes in this breakbeat, and I thought like that touch was genius. And that led me to find out more about who was this guy. A few years went by and I had the opportunity to interview him for a local music network TV show. Funny enough, I met him again last year when he was opening together with Massimino Lipoli for Tony Humphries at Muretto here in Veneto, in beautiful Venice region. And this record actually is I would say, a collaboration between Walterino, Marcellino, and Keller. And they're known as Eno 2. And the title of this record is Ralf. Ciao, Ralf. So some of you probably know Ralf. He's another incredibly popular and legendary DJ, Italian DJ. I'm gonna read you something about this. There are a couple of notes that Walterino shared, and the idea from this record came from an interview with the uncle from Italy that was released on YouTube. So there are segments of this interview on the record, and I thought also the arrangement was quite funny. There is an instrumental version and also like a full vocal version that I'm gonna play for you. I'm not gonna spoil it. I'm gonna then share also with you the cover so you can have a look at it and screen grab it and take a screenshot if you want to find out more, of course, about this record, but also about Walterino, Marcellino, and Keller. Enjoy! Streaming live from beautiful Conegliano, Italy, XYZ Creative Center. This is 0 to 100, streaming live for 1 hour, enjoying good underground music. Take it all in.
Ho detto bene? Benissimo, L'ho detto tante volte, il meccanismo del ballo è un meccanismo ancestrale per l'uomo, no? È una cosa che ripeto e lo dico anche in questa occasione, prima ancora di imparare a scrivere o a parlare un bambino, appena sta in piedi, se gli metti un ritmo lui balla. 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 Ballo è il muoversi con un ritmo, è una cosa che è insita nell'uomo, no? Per cui passano gli anni, io ho cominciato che avevo, non so, ho cominciato in radio in realtà, la mia mia carriera musicale, gratuitamente ovviamente, andavo a scuola. E poi ho cominciato nell'82 per 18.000 lire allo Storyteller. Balla. Balla. Ho un pubblico che sa quello che faccio e mi permette di esprimermi al mio meglio, insomma, non devo scendere a compromessi. Questa è una cosa molto bella insomma, ringrazio il destino per questo, penso di essere fortunato. Balla. 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 Dare l'opportunità alla gente di incontrarsi, di stare bene, di ballare, di conoscersi. Sì, io sono molto felice quando posso fare una cosa come questa. Però quando ero ragazzino vedevo sempre un cartone animato di Anna e Barbera, che c'era Ralf, ciao Ralf. 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 Ralf, ciao Ralf.
This was Ralf, Ciao Ralf, a fantastic project by 2, Walterino, Marcellino and Keller. Share with you the cover once again if you want to grab a screenshot. It's definitely one to add to your collection. I've received actually from the last episodes a good feedback when we share records that feature some Italian vocals from our international audience. So here's another one to add to your collection. Go search it. I'm pretty sure you can still find a copy around. The one you see here, on the other hand, is Zelda, is one of our music cats, who's always curious when she hears some records playing to come and visit us. But now she's sitting in the wrong place, so we're gonna put her here.